A, wa- a warm morning to today's assembly. I'm Josna, your anchor for today's assembly.
And I'm Charvita, your co-anchor. It's another beautiful morning and we're excited to begin the day with positivity and enthusiasm.
Absolutely, a school assembly is not just a routine gathering, but a moment to reflect, grow, and learn together.
So without further delay, let's begin today's assembly by seeking the blessings of the Almighty. I request everyone to join their hands and close their eyes for the prayer.
वन्दे मातरम् वन्दे मातरम् सुजला सुफला मलयज शीतला सस्यश्यामला मातरम् वन्दे मातरम् शुभ्रज्योत्स्ना पुलकितयामिनी पुल्लकुसुमिता द्रुमदलशोभिनी सुहासिनी सुमधुरभाषिणी सुखदां वरदां मातरं वन्दे मातरम् वन्दे
For the wonderful prayer, now let's move on to next part of our assembly, the pledge. Nandini commands to pledge. India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country. And I am proud of histories and world heritage. India will be. I shall always try to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. India will be and prosperity. Alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
Thank you, Nandini. A pledge reminds us of our duties and responsibilities as citizens. Now let's get updated with the latest happenings.
Good morning, everyone. Happy morning, everyone. I am Vidyanikethan of Jasper. Today I am saying national and international news. National news. Parliament passes IQA bill. International news. PM Modi meets Bangladesh PM. Thank you.
That was informative, Gyanaditya. It's essential to stay aware of what's happening around us. Now let's move on to a thought that will inspire for the day.
Happy morning to all. My name is Vidyanikethan. I am from grade 4 choral. Today I am going to say thought. Treat others the way you want to be treated. I am repeating my thought. Treat others the way you wanted to be treated. Thank you.
What a wonderful thought to start the day. Thank you. Now let's enhance our vocabulary with the word of the day. Now I call upon Hanshi to tell the word.
Good morning, everyone. I am here to say today's word from grade 6 Jasper. Today's word passion, having a dream or a goal. Example, I have a passion to be a doctor. Thank you. Jasper here to say word passion. Spell after me. PASSION. Passion. Meaning having a goal or a dream. Thank you.
Expanding our vocabulary. Now let's listen to a speech on honesty.
Happy morning, everyone. This is Tanuja from grade 6 Jasper. Here to say a speech on honesty. Honesty is a quality of being truth. It is a practice of speaking truth throughout the life. You have heard the phrase, honesty is the best policy. It is definitely the best policy. When you speak honest with a person, it shows that you respect that person. Speaking lies may save a person in some situations, but it can cause trouble in long run. Also, you have to speak many lies to hide the first lie. This can cause lot of worries and distress. Thank you.
More important. So now let's listen to an speech on education.
Happy morning everyone. My name is Kevin from grade 4 Coral. Now I am going to say speech on education. Education is a process of acquiring a knowledge and skills. It can take place in informal or informal settings. It is divided into stages such as primary, secondary and higher education. It helps prepare individuals for the for achieving education is a basic human right. Thank you.
That was fun and informative. Now let's move on to another inspiring speech about a great warrior, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj.
Good morning everyone, my name is Shiva from grade 6 Jasper. Now I am going to give speech on Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj was great warrior and just leader. He fought for the people and is a great leader. He protected his people and land from invaders. He is a true kingdom. His legacy continues us to inspire us today. Let's remember his great fights and he is a true leader of India. His life and teaching will always guide us. Jai Shivaji, Jai Hind. Thank you.
Personality. Thank you, Shiva Shankar, for reminding us of his contributions. Now let's listen to a beautiful speech, My Dreams by Hasini.
Happy morning everyone, I'm G. Hasni of grade 6 Jasper. Today I want to talk to you about everything we do, our dreams. Our dreams inspire us, motivate us and push us to be our best selves. My dream is to live that's meaningful, purposeful and fulfilling. I want to pursue my passions, take risks and push beyond my limits. Our dreams aren't just about ourselves, but about people and world we live in.
That was heartwarming speech, Hasini. We promise that we'll achieve our dreams.
Now let's listen to a motivational speech by Joshta.
Happy morning everyone, myself Joshita. Today I am going to motivate you with some motivational speech. Today I want to remind you something very important, your potential. Everyone has a unique gift, a talent or a passion that will change the world. Don't believe me, look around you. Every achievement, every invention and every breakthrough happened with someone just like you. Someone who were brave, someone who were curious and someone who were determined. Now you might be thinking, but I'm just a student or I'm not good enough or I don't know what to do with my life. That's okay. You don't have it to all figured out just yet. You are the future leaders. Aim high, dream big and achieve your goals. Thank you. Let's listen to a speech on difference between everybody and everyone.
A very good morning to everyone. I'm Charita of grade 6 Jasper. Today I'm going to tell about a speech on difference between everybody and everyone. You got that right, everyone and everybody. Actually, to be precise, everybody is used in informal settings and it is used in common English, whereas everyone is used in formal situations and written English. On the other hand, everybody sounds more expressive than everyone. Let me give you one example. Everybody knows the rules. Everyone knows the rules. Based on the situations, you can use either everyone and everybody. Thank you. Have a nice day.